Yeah. Peace to the gods. I love myself. All right, we're going to get into this one fast, right? I want to start off with reminding you guys that we are a collection of cells, trillions of cells, right? And the earth that you see is all nature. Even the buildings, even the car, it is all elements of nature alchemized, okay? Everything is nature, all is one, all right? The earth is trillions of cells, and our body is trillions of cells, right? That's why I explained that our body is one with the planet. The earth actually is our body, collectively, okay? So, knowing this, I want to speak about Pangea. What is Pangea? You should look it up, all right? Don't take my words just straight up saying, oh, it's true right there, boom. Do your own research, all right? Go look at Pangea, okay? So Pangea was one whole landmass of all the 7 continents, right, in one landmass. Pangea actually means supercontinent, okay? Or whole land, right? So, knowing that it was all one big landmass, I see where's the source. Knowing that this being that we're in right now is the micro version of the body, and the earth, nature, the skies, everything, the clouds, right? That is the macro version of our body, right? But everything is fractal, so there's another being within us in every single one of our cells, infinitely. But I'm not going in that direction right now, right? So, Africa is the heart of the planet, of this body. If you go look up a heart, look up what is the shape of a heart, and then look up Africa. Put them together. They are the same shape, okay? Because Africa is the heart of the planet. And the heart, right, is the seed of the body. When you are born as a baby, right, the first thing that is formed is your heart. Then everything comes out of this. Your arms, your legs. It pumps blood and creates every other part of the being. You're basically one big walking heart. Okay? Everyone is walking hearts. We use our brain to articulate our heart. All right? So, in the seed holds all the information of how to create another being or a replica of itself. Like an apple seed, right? The seed holds all the information, put it in the ground, boop, goes into the land, and it expresses the genes. Okay? So, knowing that, I looked up, I was like, all right, if the shape of Africa is a heart, right? Then that means we're in a body, right? Macro body, I'm just thinking. The cancer on the planet, what is the cancer on the planet? Cancer is anything that lives backwards. So live spelled backwards is evil. Anything that lives evil or lives backwards goes against its own purpose of being a cell in the body of God, right? That is a cancer cell. This could be any race, any color. It's about the mindset, how you live. So if you're thinking backwards, then you're living evil. Because then you act out your thoughts, right? Because your thoughts are your reality. So, we are in the body of God. I looked up Pangea. Go look it up right now. The shape of the Pangea, I said, what shape is that? Once all the pieces were together, what is the shape? I said, what does that look like? This was just yesterday. I thought about it. It looks like a fetus. So I looked up a fetus. The fetus is the same shape as Pangea. What? I was like, wait a second. So you're telling me that we're inside of a womb right now. All of us, we're inside this whole earth, as big as it looks. We are inside of a womb. Right? In Pangea, when it's all one being and it looks like a fetus, right? What is around it? All of it is water. Water. When a woman is pregnant, right? And the baby is inside the womb. What is surrounded by the fetus? Water. Water. So, I was like, okay, we must be inside of a big being, and it must be a melanated being, because the melanated being is the original being, right? So I was like, are we inside of a black woman? Inside of a black womb, men? We're inside of a womb? Because Pangea is shaped as a fetus until it broke up into many pieces. And guess how many pieces it's broken up into? How many continents? 7. 7 continents. How many chakras do we have in the body? 7? Wow. And I thought about that. It came straight through my DNA. It split up into different chakras of the body. Y'all think I'm playing when I say I get these light codes, huh? I'm not playing. Alright? So y'all look those 2 things up. You look up Pangea and you look at what cancer is. Cancer. Let me break it down for you anyways. Right? Cancer in the body. What is cancer? Cancer is when damaged cells reproduce themselves or divide uncontrollably in the body, and they create tumors in the body in certain areas, right? It's cancer. It goes against the host that it's living inside of, right? When cancer is inside the body and it multiplies, creates tumors, right? These will be the cities that you see. Minneapolis, right? The cities, the skyscrapers, all these things, these are tumors in the body, because concrete is never meant to be laid on top of the grass, right? The grass has an electrical current, and we need to connect directly to the earth. So these things, it blocks off the cities, it blocks out the color. There's no more green around, right? And I told you the psychology of green. Green, it calms you down. It gets you more in tune with your body. It heals the heart. It heals the mind. So if you're in cities all the time, you're going to be seeing gray, right? You're not going to be seeing a lot of color. So you're not going to be more vibrant. Why do we need to see a lot of color? Why? We need to see a lot of color because what is our main food that we're supposed to eat? I told you, you are what you eat. And we are 70%, 75% water, or 80%, something like that, right? We're majority water, right? So we want to eat the food that is majority of exactly what we are. So we want to eat fruit. That is our main food, right? We can eat it raw. It tastes good. And it's exactly what we are. So you are what you eat. You eat something that has 80% of water in it as well, right? So fruits have many, many different colors. They're very vibrant colors. The strawberries, the vibrant red, the blackberry, the vibrant purple, the blueberry, the blue, right? You want to see a lot of colors. This means you're in tune. If you're in Babylon and the cities, you're not seeing all these colors, which means your body and your chakras are not being fed. Also, the fruits, right? They're the same colors as the chakras. The colors of the fruit that you eat are feeding certain chakras. Like an apple is red, right? It'll feed the root chakra. Blackberries, they're purple. They'll feed the crown chakra. You see? Blueberries will feed the throat chakra. It is blue. Do you see? I am God. And I'm speaking about my own creation because I created it. All right? And the more I connect back to the source, which is the sun, between the tropics of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, right? Then I unlock my dormant DNA and my genes get activated. This is what's happening before your eyes. Okay? Yeah, so just do the research on what cancer is, all right? And how it works. And do research about what Pangea is. All right? Peace to the gods. I love myself. And great honor and reverence to my higher self, Nature Boy, the Most High.